Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking cream of mushroom rice with chicken. So let's start cooking. We are going to cook our rice now. Heat up a pot, preferably a non-stick pot. Add in 15 grams of butter. I'm also adding in 130 grams of red onion chopped. We'll fry this until it's soft. I'll be using medium heat throughout the cooking process, so you can do the same too. Once the onion has started to soften, we'll add in our chicken. I have with me over here 170 grams of boneless chicken thigh. I've taken out the skin too. Just put them in. We'll just fry the chicken until it turns white completely. This will take a little while. This dish is extremely easy to do. Very simple, a one-pot dish. And it's very fragrant and extremely delicious. As you can see, the chicken is white now. We'll add in a little bit of seasoning. We'll add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, as well as a few dashes of crushed white pepper. Mix them up well. And we'll add in our fresh button mushroom. This 150 grams of button mushroom sliced up. Just pour them in. Just stir them for a while before we add in the rice. Make sure that you mix them up well. Once everything has been mixed up well, we'll add in our rice. I have with me over here 300 grams of jasmine rice, which I've washed and rinsed. Pour them in. Mix them up well. This is going to be so good. I've cooked this recently and my family really loved it. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll add in our water. I'm adding in 270 milliliters of water, as well as 1 can of cream of mushroom. This is approximately 290 grams. Just pour it in, stir it in. Make sure you mix them up well. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt. Stir it in. Make sure you really mix them up well. Now all we have to do now is put the lid back on and let this cook for approximately 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 15 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Smells really good. We just stir this. There'll be a little bit of burnt bit. This is something that I want. We will give this dish a very nice smoky flavor. You can turn the heat down to low now. It's like the Chinese style of sa po fan. Smells really good. Now we'll add in our spring onion. I have with me over here 3 stalks of spring onion chopped up. Just spread them in. Turn the heat off and mix them up well. Time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells really good. Let me describe the taste to you. It has a very nice buttery taste. The reeks of mushroom, really good. And the burnt bits actually give this a very nice smoky taste overall. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.